Hello! If you think hosting is easy, it isn't. It's a lot of prep. I like to prep. And it's a lot of impromptu changes on stage. And it's also all about enjoying the moment. Ngadan Hangne apa what's like? Ti kan PUE kalong ka sngi ka ba itanan, but ngadan Hangne na mabali yu bagi kat yang abangan host. Ya kan ka program ka gerpang jong ka sarkar ka badai ka balap niya. Da ka prime. Ti ha kan ka pon ngashkap itu kiba dan hapman kadang-kadang jing ay ki awards mo. Dan jing ya kini ki kena ki beron yang sap ko phong ha kaliang ben sngi ki kam jong ka sarkaru ka ai ya ki boskin tingka berki ai ki certificates ki kwa ya ki bakin kam ki usha prang takada ki kwa ya ki bakin dan ha ka ka program kalau mat pen ketiyo ya ka keteng jong ki but ya ka business jong ki ti Hooid lada pisngo ba ka ban happen host kalong ko besok yam pikin ka kat ka jong ka berben ba. And that's the kind of prep I actually go through in order for me to come and host any program. But that's just me. Others are just so good at just putting up things impromptu. Di nasay nga lakam kloy, kalap tang day tang araw baje, ka program kan sedang live baje. Di wala akong ta nga ngits kami pin smooth na yan ka program. Hangne, ano? Hangne ito mo. About 5.
So you take this list. Dengan lah aku ya semua. Amal dengan lah when kita kiba bamdan. Like kini kita founder, co-founder satu itu Then Picnic Store itu representative. Ini bamwan mah lah. Absen.
Huh? Hey? What? Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, chalo, let's practice. Yeah, kalang. Just travel.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I call copy from them.
Nanti, em gì bằng one tờ.
Oh, yeah.
Tiền ở Paris tốt thế. Thì cũng một PUE Hangne. Asal kini kita hadien kita tangdam kual ba tangdam ke cherry blossom na ieid ba di kidong pink isquin dan lang kita kse ye hakaba pani isha ya kan ka jaka. What's like is still what's like. Kalau what's like ketika jaka kepada itu nak sisa. Jadi asal kita timpa jong sin. It's nice.
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
All good?
Yes, sir.
Please have a seat, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, if we pause for a moment and look around, we are at the picturesque Warts Lake, known for its calm and its serenity. And we realize something important. Today, it's not just a program. It is a crossing, a journey that begins exactly like this, quietly, unassuming, yet filled with possibility. What starts in calm and silence often carries the greatest promise. Yes, on one side are ideas that lived only in notebooks, late-night conversations, kitchen tables, and borrowed courage. On the other side are enterprises stepping into the real world, tested, tempered, and ready. So welcome to the onboarding and graduation program of Prime Meghalaya. Today, we celebrate two powerful moments at once, welcoming the top 75 startups selected through the Chief Minister's e-Championship Challenge and honoring 75 startups from cohort 5 who have completed theirs. Two founders from the cohort will share what the journey truly meant.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Balaji. I'm the founder of Only These will make it happen. And more of these questions like these.
You mentioned the matrix in your speech, and therefore it's just apt for me to also add a quote from there where it says that there's a difference between knowing the path and walking the path. your journey showed just that. So thank you.
Can win nothing more than a dream, a strong intuition, and with a simple sewing machine using my face.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm applause as this catalogue is being launched. Thank you. This recognition goes to Prime Touch Creation, founded by Hubert Lingdor Nonglai. Founder Chinmon Pakama and founding engineer Gaurav Joshi. From beginning to just 6 lakhs to over 204 lakhs in revenue, this is what focused scaling and patient growth can look like. May I request everyone to kindly give a warmer applause, please. This journey reminds us that sheer determination often leads the way. With revenue growing from 30,000 to 84 lakhs, this story shows how demand is created one customer at a time.
Vortex 64. And a round of applause for Vortex 64, represented by Khalil Sakhar Pankin for their dynamic entrepreneurial spirit, represented by Neither 1 as they join this inspiring cohort of entrepreneurs.
Let's hear it for Blondimai Ledicraft, represented by Kamniki Singkon. Let's keep the energy moving, please. A big applause.
We invite another enterprise to the stage, dairy farming, represented by Jingpynkhreh and Brandon, as they join this inspiring cohort of entrepreneurs.
Up next is Symphony Records with Tobatroy Shabong leading the way, a creative addition to our growing startup community. This is Tengchi Brave Stitch with Tengchira Sangma leading the way. Let's put your hands together for Valerie, represented by Valdoni E. Maulot and Rishan Bor L. Maulot. Two simple words have always echoed through the corridors of entrepreneurship here. Try again. And these words became the foundation of which so many young people found the courage to begin. And who spoke them? Our very own Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, a leader who understands entrepreneurship not from theory, but from experience. Someone who has worked that path himself, but has made sure that this belief never stayed only in speeches. He turns them into action, into platforms like Prime.
Thank you, Wari, for that wonderful introduction. I always tell her that sometimes I wonder who she's talking about, because it sounds far better than maybe the truth also. But thank you, Wari, once again. I'm there with you, and that's really what we're trying to do out here.
Thank you so much, sir, for those words. Your faith in our youth, calling each champions, is so inspiring. We believe we will leave from here feeling motivated. Marak-led lights, my mushroom, the Maya farm, Wilik the waffles shop.
Queen Holidays, JBS Food Product, Prime Touch Creation, Jordan T Enterprises, Jetra Food Enterprise.
Kirsi Openroy Agro, AMA, Marvin Food Prestige for the recognition, and these are the graduating cohorts.
It's shivering. Just, yeah, that's why I was waiting for the tea. Just warm us up.
Chow, sesame paneer, chili fish, and oh, chicken cutlet. We got chicken cutlet. Chicken cutlet. And some nice tarts and strawberry panna cotta, veg quiche, and this
Balik orang mai pamandak Wari? What are you going to do? I'll just stand next to you. I'll not say anything. I'll just smile and look beautiful.
So this is why Prime is Prime, because we have a Prime in her Prime.
Oh my God.
Jackie.
Thank you so much.
It's Jackie, she helped me throughout the whole program. I'm so thankful for her and for her and to her. And she looks beautiful in orange. We should actually make a new song, you know? And it's like beautiful.
Any moment is orange. Thank you.
Ding ding. What is this? Well, we've come to the end of this program. You know, aku sudah ikut jokin program. But kalakam janmian for the day. Nah, ini ke program juga sarkar. Kam slam day kam di dalam program ka basmutna ke bang snotna kambun kalau bagi yo kendu ya di nongseng kam kibala bu bat ban mensim bakin sedang i kam jong but Hooid kalau ka basmutna bagi ini di nongseng kam do kiba yo adu arkror like kror shisnem kan bengal kan kok sedia lah orang yo arkror ke jangan dengan ino ya piha ke jangan
Yeah, even me.